The exotic description of this compound is a reference to exotic drink aromas containing coconut and tropical fruits. While not a traditional aroma found in hops, new strains of hops can exhibit these aromas, including coconut, papaya, and mango. Most frequently described as having an aroma or flavor like coconut or creamy coconut, this compound is usually derived from aging in a barrel and reaction to wood, especially if the barrel was previously used to store whiskey. Hops such as Sabro variety can also contribute a coconut aroma to beer. Coconut flavorings, or coconut itself, can be used to add this characteristic. For barrel aging in a new barrel, the wood strain is an important factor. For aging in new wood or in previously used barrels, the brewer should select a barrel that exhibits these characteristics. For contributions from hops, a hops supplier can provide assistance in selection of varieties that exhibit the exotic aroma. Brewers may want to select from specific batches of the recommended hop varieties to assure they have the right expression of this aroma. Usage rates and timing of additions of the hops will be critical in providing the right levels of the exotic aroma.